Hey fitness friends, today we're checking out the Niceday Elliptical Trainer with hyper-quiet magnetic drive system. This home-use cross-trainer brings gym-style cardio right into your living room, letting you glide on its 15.5-inch stride while barely making a peep. Perfect for early morning workouts without waking the whole house. Key features and specifications. This sturdy machine is built on an alloy steel frame and supports users up to 400 pounds. It offers 16 levels of magnetic resistance, so you can dial up the intensity as you get stronger. The 15.5 natural stride minimizes stress on your knees, and oversized anti-slip pedals keep your feet secure. A multifunction LCD display tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned, while a long, stable base ensures zero wobble during your sweatiest sessions. Price at around $499.98 on average. This Niceday Elliptical sits in the mid-range price tier for home cardio equipment, an investment that can replace gym membership fees over time. Pros and cons. On the plus side, users appreciate its simple assembly, ultra-quiet operation, and high weight capacity, plus the fact you don't need an electrical outlet to power through your workout. On the downside, that 15.5 stride may feel short for taller athletes. The circular pedal path can feel different if you're used to an oval motion, and some report the basic display struggles to keep up over years of use. Garage Gym Reviews. Customer Review Summary. Boasting an average 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 3,200 reviews, fans rave about its smooth feel and rock-solid stability. Critics largely echo the stride length gripe but agree it's a phenomenal value for the quality and features you get. Should you buy it or not? If you're after a durable, quiet, and feature-packed elliptical that won't disturb the family, and you're under 6'4", so the stride works for you, this Niceday model is a smart pick. Just be ready to assemble it yourself and accept that it's designed for beginner to intermediate cardio rather than Olympic-level athletes.